I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Amazon Relay app. First, download the free app from your device's app store, available for both iOS and Android. 135 Once installed, log in with your Amazon account details. 237 After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard, your central hub for managing deliveries. 7 It displays scheduled trips, important notifications, and navigation tools, helping you stay connected and informed on the road. 7 To find work, tap on the load board or find load section. 1236 Here, you can filter available shipments by criteria like origin, destination, and trailer type, such as a 53-foot dry van or a box truck. 15 Carefully review each load's details, including the transparent payment rate, estimated distance, and weight, which might be up to 45,000 pounds. Once satisfied, simply click Book to secure your next assignment. 2 After booking, your active loads appear in the My Loads or Trips section. 7 As you progress, provide real-time status updates, like arrived at a facility or departed from a pickup location. 17 The app also allows for quick digital check-ins and scanning of load ID barcodes. 10 Crucially, you can upload essential documents, such as proof of delivery, directly through the app, streamlining your paperwork and ensuring timely record keeping. 3 The Amazon Relay app offers robust support and customizable settings. You can access the Help Center for frequently asked questions and troubleshooting tips. 17 For direct assistance, contact the Relay Operations Center 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right from within the app. 17 Additionally, personalize your experience by adjusting notification preferences for new loads or important updates, ensuring the app works best for your operational needs. 8
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.